Most moms are the center of the universe for many families. So if your mom is Queen Bee, give her something to remind her of her favorite child. It's simple and easy to make a decoupage photo block. I'm making this one for my mom. Let's get started. You'll need a plain wooden block, paper copies of your favorite photos, and decoupage glue. First, cut the photos into squares to fit the block. I'm using 3.5-inch photos. Brush the decoupage glue on one side of the wooden block, then lay on the first photo. Add more glue on top of the photo until it's completely covered. Now be sure to smooth out the paper so there's no bubbles. And don't worry, it'll dry clear. Repeat this process on all 6 sides of the block. And there you have it, a decoupage photo block and the perfect gift for mom to remind her that she's loved by her favorite child.